Okay, so I'm going to like trade with her, and I'm recording just in case she's getting me, because I really don't trust people. Sorry if she's listening to this. Oh god, this is so annoying. I need my cat right now. It's not that I don't trust her, it's just that, like, I kind of don't trust her, because, like, I've had bad experiences. Damn it. Oh my god, some kid asked me to put my name on this, so, well, not my name, you'd know my name, but, you don't need to know my name, but I'm talking about my, like, voice, my ugly asshole voice. My math teacher says I'm creepy, but then again, he's a hypocrite, so. Oh my god, this lag is so fucking trash. This game is kind of trash. I don't know why I play it. Yep, this is like a really crappy rare week. So after this, I'll like show you all the rare weeks or the MSP thing, kind of rare week thing. I don't even know. Don't even ask. Just try not to ask. Thing is so slow, oh my god. Like, is it meant to be slow? Seriously. Oh, and also some kid has to see my coin level, so that's it. There it is. It's not the best, but... No, see, the thing is, I'm so close to leveling, it's not even funny. I have like 100-something things left. I like this girl. Okay, so... promised I would show the theme, so damn it, I hate this thing. And yeah, I took advantage of it. Who the fuck is emailing me? I'm supposed to be working on something good. Okay, none of this is from the old MSP. It's from the back of the shops, except for this. Like, it's alright, I guess, but I wouldn't buy it. But this is really good. Some kid had me do Lola Blank, so I just decided to keep the lip, so, because it looks good, right? I think so. Yeah, like, the looks aren't that bad, but, like, I've seen better. Like, a lot better, and then there's the old theme. Okay, let's go into animations. Honestly, this is... oh, very nice. I'll read that later. The animations are pretty nice. Like, I just bought that this morning for 200 star coins, I think. Now it's VIP. That's alright, I guess, but it's not the best. Oh shit. Yes, I'm in the bathroom. I don't know why. Oh my god. Oh my god. That looks so wrong. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here.